Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to use nested IFs. Let's dive right into understanding what they are and why they're so powerful for making complex decisions in your spreadsheets or code. Essentially, a nested IF allows you to test a condition, and if that condition is true or false, it then tests another condition. This creates a logical flow, helping you categorize data or automate responses based on several criteria. It's a fundamental concept for advanced logic. Understanding the basic structure is key. You start with an outer IF, and where you'd normally put a value for true or false, you insert another complete IF statement. This creates a chain of logic. The first condition is checked. If it's true, that path is taken. If false, the next nested IF is evaluated. It's like a decision tree, guiding your program or spreadsheet through different possibilities until a final outcome is reached. Pay close attention to your parentheses. Let's consider a practical example, assigning grades. If a score is greater than or equal to 90, it's an A. If not, we then check if it's greater than or equal to 80 for a B. Otherwise, it's a C. This demonstrates how each nested IF handles a specific range, making the logic clear and efficient. You're essentially asking a series of if this, then that, otherwise if this other thing, then that questions until you get to a final answer. While powerful, overly complex nested IFs can be hard to read and maintain. For many conditions, functions like IFS or VLOOKUP might offer a cleaner solution. Always strive for readability. Indenting your formulas can make a huge difference in understanding the logic later on. Remember, clear code is good code. And hey, before you go, remember to check the description below for that little trees, black ice link, and other great deals we've found for you. Thanks for watching, and happy coding.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.